Welcome to Zoological World. Today we will discuss about blood python. Amazing blood python facts. Once considered aggressive and unpredictable, it came to be the behavior was the result of adult snakes caught in the wild and held in captivity. Breeders, herpetoculturists and snake enthusiasts love the blood python due to the snake's relatively small size and its striking color and pattern morphs. The specific species name, Brongersma, comes from Dutch herpetologist Leo Brongersma. Today, the blood python thrives in protected habitats and human-modified habitats. There's a tube at the bottom of the snake's mouth that allows the blood python to breathe while it swallows food. Where to find blood pythons? The blood python is a non-venomous, medium-sized snake. You can find it in Thailand, the Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, and other small, outlying islands. There have also been reports of the red blood python in other countries such as Singapore. This is likely the result of an introduction by humans. Blood pythons are found on palm plantations, in tropical forests and swamps, and in marshes. They're ground-dwelling predators that wait patiently on forest floors. The animals can hide for hours waiting for prey. Shy and nocturnal, the red blood python is solitary, interacting only during mating season. Blood python. The non-venomous blood python comes in a range of colors: browns, yellows, tans, cherry, and bright reds. Red blood python identification marks include stripes or blotches of tan, gold, orange or black. The belly is often white and sometimes has small markings. Sumatran short-tailed python. The Sumatran short tail has colors that range from dark gray to brown and black. The Sumatran is the smallest of the species. The short tail is located in Sumatra, the Lingga Islands, Kalimantan, and the Bangka Islands. Borneo short-tail python. These creatures come in darker colorations from tans to browns. They have what's called color morphs that include stripes and ultra-breed. The ultra-breed represents a trait of unique offspring. While also called Borneo blood pythons, the reptile community discourages the practice to minimize cross-confusion. Blood python scientific name. The blood python, or Python brongersma, was once named Python curtis brongersma. Scientists reconsidered the classification after mistakenly considering the blood python a subspecies of Python curtis. In Thailand, they call the subspecies Ngoo lam pad ped. The non-venomous reptiles are of the order Schemata and belong to the family Pythonidae. The blood family consists primarily of the blood python, the Borneo short-tail python, and the Sumatran short-tail python. Blood python population and conservation status. Blood pythons are prey for their leather scales. It's estimated almost 10,000 creatures get killed a year for their skins. The red blood python is also threatened by novices trying to make the snake a pet. Improper care is stifling the population in parts of the world. The facts are, despite these hazards, the blood python isn't listed as threatened or endangered. It's believed populations are increasing. In some parts of the world, this is due to the blood python's established community in palm oil plantations, which attracts rodents, one of the snake's major prey. Unfortunately, the same plantations are a leading source of rainforest destruction in regions like Indonesia and Malaysia. That's negatively impacting other species like Asian elephants and orangutans, creatures that are on endangered lists. How to identify a blood python? Richly colored in bright oranges, reds and reddish-brown. Identification on bodies entails tan to yellow stripes or blotches running the length of the body. Along the sides and back are brown and black spots. Head marked with dark brown, V-shaped blotch with a line down the center. No marks down the center of the belly. Shiny, smooth scales.